Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to discuss the working of electric power steering system. First, I will take the what are the different components associated with electric power steering system. Later, we will take the animation of working of the this electric power steering system, and also we will take the comparison between the hydraulic power steering system and electric power steering system. Here, the first will take the what are the different components. Here, the steering wheel angle sensor, torque sensor, steering column, electronic control unit, electric motor, ball screw, steering rack, a ring pinion. Here, when the driver turns the steering wheel for the turning of the vehicle, the steering wheel angle sensor senses that. And later, the torque sensor senses the torque. And that torque sensor will send the signal to the electronic control unit, which the quantity of the torque what it is sensed. And in the electronic control unit, it receives the input of the vehicle speed, and from that it will sense the input to the electric motor. The electric motor will drive the this steering rack through the ball screw, and later the turning of the wheels of the vehicle will be taking place. And here, that what is the amount of assistance that is sent by the electronic control unit for the steering, that is depends on the torque of driver what applied, and also the vehicle speed. And the more assistance is required at lesser speed of the vehicle during the parking, and more less assistance is required at a higher speeds during the highway travel. Like this, the assistance will be provided by the electronic control unit for the this steering of the vehicle. Then this we will see that the animation from the electronic this power steering system, electric motor from that. From the electric motor, how that will turns the vehicle, we can see by using the rack, shaft, rack and a pinion, and from that the input shaft torque sensor will be that will sense, and based on that torque sensor as well as the electric motor, the turn it will be turns the this wheel through this rack and pinion wheel. Okay, by that the turning of the vehicle will be taking place. Then here we'll take the details of that electronic power steering system. That is, electronic power steering EPS systems use an electric motor and sensors to assist the driver in steering, replacing hydraulic systems with more energy efficient and adaptable approach. How it is more energy efficient, we'll discuss later. Components. First one, electric motor provides the steering assistance located either on steering rack or steering column. Sensors detect the driver steering wheel input, torque, and the position. Torque sensor measures the amount of torque the driver is applying to the steering wheel. Reduction gear transfers the motor's torque to the steering mechanism. Electronic control unit processes the sensor data and controls the electric motor to provide appropriate steering assistance. How it works: when the driver turns the steering wheel, sensors detect the torque and position. The electronic control units calculates the required steering assistance based on these inputs the and the vehicle's speed. The electronic control unit then sends the signal to the electric motor, which provides the necessary torque to assist the steering. The amount of assistance varies depending on the vehicle speed and the driver's input, providing more assistance at low speeds, example parking and turning, and less at higher speeds, example highway driving. Benefits of electronic power steering compared to the hydraulic power steering will take sheer energy efficiency. The EPS is more energy efficient than hydraulic systems because it only uses power when the driver is turning the steering wheel. But in the hydraulic power system, always the fluid will be pressurized in the system by using the pressure pump of the hydraulic system that consumes the more power, reduces weight and complexity. Ec- Electronic power steering systems are lighter and simpler than hydraulic systems, eliminating the need for a pump, hoses, and fluid. Variable steering field. Electronic power steering allows for a wider range of steering feel customization from sporty to luxury. Integration with advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. EPS systems can be used integrated with advanced driver assistance systems features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Like this, also we can adapt with the integrate with electronic power steering system. And these are the more advantages compared to the other power steering system. And this is about the electric power steering system. And in the previous class, already I have taken the hydraulic power steering system. The links for the same will give in the description. You can refer and watch. And in next session, I am going to take the electro hydraulic power steering system, which will combines the benefits of both hydraulic and electric power steering system, and that will be more beneficial than these two steering systems. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.